Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be taking a look at this solar power battery, which is not turning on and it's clearly bulging out here. I hope you can see how swollen it is, and it won't even close. Alright, so let's take it apart. I'll need my tweezer. So I won't even try charging this thing because of how swollen it is. So in order to open it, you just have to pop some tabs all the way around and it should open. Okay, so it is open. Now let's see. Okay, so this is connected there, and I can clearly see where the bulging is in the battery. It's right on this side. Okay, so let me take a closer look, and also let's remove this. Okay, this cover, and also there is the button that was here originally. Okay, and this blue thing here, nah, I'm gonna leave it as is. Okay, so I'm gonna desolder the solar panel from here and then measure the battery and maybe desolder the battery. Okay, so it's right around 1 volt, which is not enough. It should be 3.7, and also it has a bulging here. So I'm gonna desolder the battery and show you closely. Okay, so this should be quite easy. Okay, one side and the other, and you can clearly see here where it's swollen up. It's not even the same size as the rest. Okay, so I'm gonna try finding another one in order to replace mine. And also these stick pads I'm gonna try to put on the new battery because I don't have any other of these. Okay, so I'll try finding one and show you guys later. Alright, so the new battery is here. It's a 3000 milliamp battery, and let's take this protection off. And I want to measure to see if it has 3.7 volts. So I have my multimeter and the probes. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so it's around 3.6, 3.4. I think it's good enough for me. So I'm gonna plug my soldering iron and put the pins back on the motherboard on the plus and the minus. Okay, so let's see if it works. If I press one time here, it should light the LEDs out, which it does, and if I press two times, the white light comes on. Okay, so I'm gonna put back the solar panel on top, soldering the negative here and no, the positive here and the negative here, and then I will completely assemble and test it even more. And also underneath the battery I'm gonna put some double-sided adhesive tape to hold it in place better, and I'll show you the final result. Alright, so the battery is completely assembled, and now let's see if it charges. So as you can see, it is charging, and now let's see if it charges another device. Okay, let me grab my other phone, my old one, which is a Samsung. Okay, let's see this USB port. It does charge. And let's see the other one, which is here. And it also charges. Alright, so that was it for today. If you enjoyed the video and the content, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And also here is the old battery, which you can see how it is bulging up here. It is very swollen and it's basically no good, so I'm going to recycle this. And the battery is perfect now. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video, and hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.